And watercolour paper is quintessentially English. I mean, it has a worldwide reputation, and it seemed to me a tradition worth preserving. I'm a fourth generation paper trade person. I've been making paper for over 50 years. Because of the way we make it and the scale upon which we make it, we are able to use a much longer base fibre, so our paper is less absorbent than the standard. And the skill in paper making by hand is to get it even from side to side so that it's homogeneous, and they're trying to produce something which is perfect, but that's not life. When you paint on it, you'll find the surface is much more forgiving, in that the paint can be lifted and leave you clear paper behind. You get a huge buzz. You know, there'll be sheets that we've made that will be around in a couple hundred years' time. I mean, I've been to the Tate and seen Howard Hodgkin prints. Know that we made that piece of paper in the loft there.